Unong ai khitin ke BJP ba em khar krang ha khan new trik ukalaling kor araja arpulai ulong ba kaseng BJP ka Khmih Lynti ba kan job kum ba khat santali ki seat ha ka election MLA araja arpulai ha bai krem grab thai khubor ba khar krang ulong ba kaseng ka tre shitom bar kandang yai tre na ka banta ban poi shakani ka thong.
Right now, I can say that we have about 15 seats, which are very, promising, and we are working hard for some more seats. And definitely, after the declaration of the candidates, then I can, with confidently, I can assure you that you will see after everything has been cleared up, the candidates been declared, you'll see a sudden surge in the strength of the party. And I'm very sure, especially here in North Shillong, you'll be a witness to that.
Khmih Lynti.